Welcome to another episode of That Crazy Triangle Guy. Here we are looking at Bitcoin, US dollar on the 4-hour Coinbase chart. And Bitcoin's been following this green line to a freaking T, and it's amazing. It's totally amazing that you got something right. Anyway, since the beginning of October, I believe, right? Yeah. Since October, we've been following that line to a T. And zooming in here, we are following this leg of the line back down to fill the CME futures gap that was left not this past weekend, but the weekend before. This past weekend, we left one up above, but it's already gotten filled. So we just came down today. Purpose of this video, we just came down today, and let's switch to futures actually, and filled the gap 70%. Here is here's the gap right here. From that open, or from this close to that open, it's about $1,000 range right there. And we came down and filled it about 70%. Not all the way, but a lot of times these don't get filled all the way. They get filled like 2/3, like exactly what we did. But I guess they are leaving it open for the threat of filling it maybe tomorrow or later on today. Who knows? Just to have that threat in the background. And futures is now trading at just about 340 premium to spot, which is, I mean, it's not bearish. It's not super bullish. It's kind of bullish. So that's good. But let's go back to the Coinbase chart. So there you have that. What I'd like to see now, we're on the 4-hour, is us get back above our aqua colored neckline of our inverse head and shoulders at about 68,400 on the Coinbase chart. And we have an hour and 18 minutes to do so. I'd like to see a 4-hour candle up there, and the reason why is because if you turn the Gaussian channel here on, that is exactly where that is. The neckline and the bottom of the Gaussian channel, 4-hour Gaussian channel, are at the same spot right there. 68,387. So that would be super bullish if we could see that. We have been kind of hovering where we're at right now. So I don't think we know what we want to do. After that partial fill of that gap, we're just consolidating here. Looking on the 5-minute chart. And note, we are still hugging our channel, our red channel. If we switch to an hourly, probably be better. We've been traveling down this red channel here. Now I have made a couple purple trend lines just because I saw us breaking out of this channel, but consistent with these other points here. So I just wanted to see if in fact we were breaking out or continuing on down. And we didn't break out of those purple lines, so we are continuing on down. Now, do we have... I was just looking to see if we had an inverse head and shoulders forming that would indicate a reversal out of this pattern. We don't necessarily need to, but also what is notable is that we did come right down to this olive colored channel, which is it's our reversal channel from the blue head and shoulders back here. I gotta put this on a 4-hour. So here's our inverse head and shoulders right here. The aqua line is the neckline of that. It's signifying a move from this purple channel. If you haven't been tuning in, purple channel is our downward move since March. A lot of people maintain that we've been in a sideways consolidation pattern, and we have been, but we've also been, this is a channel within the consolidation channel, which is more sideways. And that purple line would be indicating the top of that, pretty much. It misses this point. It actually is drawn connecting those 2 points right there from July and June. So, but reversal from this purple channel into this green channel here. And you can see that we started coming up here in the green channel, came a little bit sideways, came up a little bit more in that green channel, following the slope of this channel. And then we come back down here sideways and are hitting the edge of this channel perfectly. I believe we'll be moving back up here. I'd really like to see a close with a green candle here that would take us back outside, or not necessarily even green, but at the open. I'd like to see this hour close at 67787 ish, and that would start a new hourly candle right here outside of our red downward sloping channel. That would be really good, and then possibly we could see that hour close up at around 68.4 back inside the Gaussian channel. That would be the most bullish scenario and indicate further move upwards. That, we could just consolidate here, and if we do, the thing I wanted to show you, and let's refresh this. We got a lot of yellow down here, back where right around that CME futures gap, 66 million and 103. So we got 170 million in longs down there. Could easily, is looking really tasty to the bears, so could easily come back down and grab them, maybe in the next hour. Doesn't really matter, I guess. A lot of times actions are timed depending on where closes need to be, and I don't think it really matters on the hourly. On the 4-hour, it would matter. Maybe there's some significance about not doing it this hour and doing it in the next hour and then coming back up. Not quite sure. Anyway, better leave it there, and see you next time.